So good morning students. So today's topic for the class is binary operations. So this is your last topic of the first chapter, relations and functions. In the previous topic you had learned about types of relations, types of functions, and the last topic was composition of functions and invertible function. So you had solved problems based on all these functions. So last topic, binary operations. So this topic this chapter will be over. So binary operation. Binary. What is the meaning of binary? Do you know what is the meaning of binary? Binary means 2. So this topic deals with numbers. So there are altogether how many operations in maths? Does anybody know about it? There are 4, mainly 4, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are 4 operations in maths. You can add 2 numbers, you can subtract 2 numbers, you can multiply 2 numbers, you can divide 2 numbers. It can be done with many numbers also, but primarily you have to do with 2 numbers. Pinneyaan ningal add cheyyumbom next number add ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് പോകുന്നത്. So this is binary. Binary means 2 numbers include ചെയ്തിട്ട് you can add, subtract, multiply, division. So ഇതെല്ലാം numbers ഉള്ള operations ആണ്. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So based on these operations you will be studying what is binary operations. Detailed study about binary operation. So there are some definitions about subtopics that I'll be discussing now. Later, while solving the problem, I'll do it as before, like how I have solved other questions regarding the previous topic. So definition ആയതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ എഴുതിയത്, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് റീഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് I'll explain about it. So definition of binary operation. A binary operation star on a set capital A is a function star from A cross A to A. We denote star ordered pair A comma B by A star B. അതായത് ബൈനറി ഓപ്പറേഷൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ അത് ഡിനോട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് സ്റ്റാർ വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് ഡിനോട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ബൈനറി ഓപ്പറേഷൻ. This star can be addition, this star can be subtraction, this star can be multiplication or this star can be division. ഈ 4 ഓപ്പറേഷൻ വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് ഈ സ്റ്റാർ ഡിഫൈൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So this star is on a set A. കഴിഞ്ഞ കുറേ ടോപ്പിക്സിൽ നമ്മൾ സെറ്റാണ് ഡീൽ ചെയ്തത്. You will be having a set with numbers, elements. So ആ ടോപ്പിക്കിൽ റിലേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത സെറ്റാണ് ഇതിലും യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So in this set A you will be having numbers and 4 operations ഉണ്ടാവും. Is a function എങ്ങനെ ഡിനോട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? It is a Cartesian product. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് A cross A ആയെങ്കിൽ that will be in ordered pair. So that is A comma B. This will be in capital letter and this will be in small letter. Star can be any of these 4 operation. So star A cross A. അതായത് സ്റ്റാർ അങ്ങനെ തന്നെ എഴുതി. ഈ A cross A ആണ് ഓർഡേർഡ് പെയർ A comma B to A. അതായത് ഒരു സെറ്റിൽ നിന്ന് മറ്റേ സെറ്റ് എങ്ങനെയാണ് ആൻസർ കിട്ടുന്നത്, അതാണ് ദിസ് A. So this is denoted by A star B. This A star B, in the place of star you can put A plus B, A minus B, A star or multiplication into B അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സ്റ്റാർ ഡിനോട്ട് ചെയ്യാം, or A divided by B, this one. So this star can be any of these 4 function. So addition, subtraction, multiplication are binary operation on R. This R is real number. So real number we can get these binary operation. Addition ഉണ്ടാവാം, subtraction ഉണ്ടാവാം, multiplication ഉണ്ടാവാം on this real number. But division is not a binary operation on R. But division നിങ്ങൾക്ക് binary operation ആയിട്ട് ഡിഫൈൻ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റൂല. Because R ആണെങ്കിൽ This real number will be including 0. This 0, any number divided by 0, for example 1 by 0, 100 by 0, any number divided by 0, because this is real number 1, this is real number 0. So 0 ne kondu divide cheyyumbam 1 by 0, if you divide, calculator error kanikkum. So 1 by 0, this is not defined. This is not defined. So this cannot be included as binary operation. So division is not a binary operation on R. But this can be included as binary operation on R. How? Only if you are having positive numbers. That is, other than 0, any number, if you are dividing 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 100, 1 by 50, any number other than 0, if you are dividing, you will get an answer. That can be decimal also, or any number, whole number also. Because R is of all the numbers in the number system. So R star. Star means denoted as non-zero real number. Non-zero ആണെങ്കിൽ 0 ഇല്ലാത്ത ഏത് നമ്പറിനെ കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തെങ്കിലും this division can be a binary operation on R star. R അല്ല R star ആണ്. Okay, division is a binary operation on the set R star of non-zero real number. Next, you have commutative property, associative property. Very, very important on it. Commutative, associative. Next, you will be having identity and inverse of this binary operation. So commutative, as how you had reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Adhe poleyaane in this section, binary operation very, very important on commutative and associative property. Other two properties I'll discuss later. So now commutative property. Commutative property ആണെങ്കിൽ this will be A star B equal to B star A. ഇതാണ് formula. You have to remember this or else you cannot solve the problem. A star B equal to B star A. A binary operation star on the set X. Any set X binary operation star is called commutative. Commutative ആണെങ്കിൽ this condition should be satisfied. A star B equal to B star A for every A comma B belongs to this capital X, that is your set. A star B ആണെങ്കിൽ this can be any number. This star can be plus, this star can be minus, multiplication or division, anything. A star B. So നിങ്ങൾക്ക് A star B solve ചെയ്യുമ്പം if you are getting answer as 10, then if you want to find commutative satisfy ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇല്ലേന്ന് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ if this is 10, A star B 10 ആണെങ്കിൽ I'll tell you how to solve the problem. For example ആണ് ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത് A star B 10 ആണെങ്കിൽ again you have to solve this LHS RHS. LHS solve ചെയ്തപ്പം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് 10 കിട്ടി. ഇനി LHS RHS solve ചെയ്യുമ്പം again you have to get this 10. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിലാണ് 10 equal to 10. Then this will be commutative. This star will be commutative. ഇതിപ്പോൾ 10 and 5 ആണെങ്കിൽ this star is not commutative. അങ്ങനെ എഴുതാനും ഉണ്ട് പ്രോബ്ലത്തിൽ ചെയ്യുമ്പം ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാനുണ്ടാവും whether it is commutative or associative അങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടാവും. So A star B equal to B star A. ഉൾട്ട ചെയ്യുമ്പം ഡയറക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പം സെയിം ആൻസർ കിട്ടിയെങ്കിൽ മാത്രം this star will be commutative. Next we are having associative. Associative means see ഇതിൽ രണ്ട് എലമെന്റ് ആണ് ഉണ്ടായത് A and B, any number. But here you are having A, B and C. In associative you are having A, B, C. This property of binary operation. See how it is. A star B star C. Left side lum A star B star C ഉണ്ട്. And right side also you are having A star B star C. But see the bracket. The left side you are having A star B in the first two numbers ലാണ് bracket കൊടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. അതായത് A and B element. And the next RHS see B star C is inside the bracket. A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. First നിങ്ങൾ ഇത് എഴുതാ as LHS, പിന്നെ ഇത് RHS ആയിട്ട് എഴുതാ. ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ for convenient purpose you can take this A star B star C as LHS, A star B star C as RHS. All these A, B, C should belong to this set A. Okay, so commutative ആണെങ്കിൽ A star B equal to B star A. Associative ആണെങ്കിൽ A star B star C, that is equal to A star B star C. This is very important. These two properties are very important. Next you are having identity property, identity, and then you are having invertible. So first you will be seeing what is identity property. Given a binary operation star from A cross A to A, an element E, that is small letter E, belongs to capital A. This A is your set. If it exists, is called identity for the operation star. That this E exists ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ for this operation star, then this E is your identity element. That is, if A star E, that is equal to A, ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇത് മാത്രം എഴുതാം, that is A star E equal to A, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് E star A, that is equal to A. So A star E equal to A, or this is E star A equal to A. For all A belongs to A. So identity A star E, this star can be addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. A star E equal to A. അതായത് for example, if I am taking 0, element 0, so A can be any number. Sorry, I'll adjust this one. Okay, hope you are able to see this. So here A star E, so this A can be any number, any element. I'll take it as 2. This star I'll be considering addition. So this 2 is your A, star is your addition, and E is 0. So A star E, the answer should be A itself. That is, this A should be your answer. അങ്ങനത്തെ നമ്പർ മാത്രം addition or subtraction or multiplication or division ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇതേ എലമെന്റ് സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ് എ ഏതാണ് നിങ്ങളെടുത്ത് സെയിം നമ്പർ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രം ദിസ് ഇ വിൽ ബി യുവർ ഐഡന്റിറ്റി എലമെന്റ്. സോ we can see that 2 plus 0, this 2 is your A, this 0 is your E, this is A, this plus is your star, this 0 is your E. അങ്ങനെ A star E ആണെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങളുടെ ആൻസറിൽ you have to get that A itself. അന്നെങ്കിൽ മാത്രം this E will be your identity element. So here 2 plus 0, what is 2 plus 0? Normal addition, 2 plus 0 will be your 2 itself. So this E equal to 0, this will be your identity element. Because 0 ഏത് നമ്പറിന് ആഡ് ചെയ്തെങ്കിലും you'll get the number itself, same number itself. So this E is your identity element. Only if this number system is real number. Okay, real number ആണ് മാത്രം this 0 is your identity element in addition. Natural number ആണെങ്കിൽ 0 is not your identity element, because 0 doesn't belongs to natural number. Natural number 0 belong ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. So you cannot take this 0 as identity element in natural number. But real number ആണെങ്കിൽ this 0 is your identity element of which operation? Addition operation. So this 0 is your E, identity element. കുറേ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിന് ഇങ്ങനെ ചോദിക്കുന്ന identity element find ചെയ്യാനുള്ളത്. So you have to know the basic thing, how you can find these element, എങ്ങനെയാണ് സോൾവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So if you know the basic idea of solving this, it will be easy for you to solve the answer. Okay, so identity element ആണെങ്കിൽ ഓപ്പറേഷൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ so this is your condition a star e that is equal to a equal to e star a. അതായത് ഇത് വേണമെന്നില്ല, ഇത് ഒരു സൈഡ് എടുത്താൽ മതി. a star e equal to a അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നേരെ കമ്മ്യൂട്ടേറ്റീവ് ആയിട്ട് e star a എങ്ങനെ ചെയ്താലും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആയിട്ടുള്ള എലമെന്റ് തന്നെ കിട്ടണം. അതായത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ മീൻസ് എലമെന്റ് what you are taking as a അതിന് തന്നെ കിട്ടണം a. for all ഇത് for all സിമ്പിൾ ആണ്. for all a belongs to a. so identity clear ആയെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. next about invertible. given a binary operation star a cross a to a with the identity element e in a. identity element symbol ആണ് e. an element a belongs to capital A is said to be invertible. Invertible with respect to the operation star if there exists an element b in capital A such that a star b equal to e equal to b star a. അതായത് ഐഡന്റിറ്റി എലമെന്റ് ആണെങ്കിൽ യു ഹാവ് ടേക്കൺ a star e equal to a. ഇൻവേർട്ടിബിൾ ആണെങ്കിൽ യു ആർ ഹാവിംഗ് two element a star b. a star b two different element ആണ്. so when you are doing a star b you have to get the identity element that is e. ഏത് നമ്പർ നിങ്ങൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ എഡീഷൻ സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ ഡിവിഷൻ ചെയ്യുമ്പം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഐഡന്റിറ്റി എലമെന്റ് കിട്ടണം ആൻസറിൽ. so that will be your invertible element and that will be satisfying this operation star. okay, a star b equal to e ആണ് ഇതിന്റെ കണ്ടീഷൻ. ഐഡന്റിറ്റി ആണെങ്കിൽ a star e equal to a. in this case a star b equal to e. ഏത് നമ്പർ രണ്ട് എലമെന്റ് കൂടി എഡിഷൻ സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ all those four operations satisfy ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ if you are getting the identity element e, then this b a star b ഉള്ള b, this b will be your inverse of a. b ആയിരിക്കും നിങ്ങളെ inverse of a. inverse ആണെങ്കിൽ that is denoted by a raised to minus 1. അതായത് inverse a പവറിൽ minus 1, a power minus 1, that is a inverse will be your b. inverse ആണെങ്കിൽ for addition subtraction is your inverse. for multiplication division is your inverse. okay, vice versa. മൈനസ് ആണെങ്കിൽ പ്ലസ് ആയിരിക്കും ഇൻവേഴ്സ്, ഡിവിഷൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ആയിരിക്കും ഇൻവേഴ്സ്. സോ നെക്സ്റ്റ് നോട്ട്. 0 is the identity for addition on R and 1 is the identity for multiplication on R. because ഇതെല്ലാം ചെറിയ ചെറിയ 1 മാർക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ പ്രോബ്ലം സോൾവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആൻസർ ചെയ്യാനുണ്ടാവും. ചിലപ്പം യു ഹാവ് ടു സോൾവ് ദി ആൻസർ ഓൾവേസ് ഇങ്ങനെ ചോദിക്കും വിച്ച് ഈസ് ഐഡന്റിറ്റി എലമെന്റ് ഫോർ എഡീഷൻ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ. സോൾവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയുന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ കൂടി ഇഫ് ദിസ് ഈസ് ഇൻ ഓൺ ആർ you will be knowing what to write, 0 or 1. okay, 0 is the identity for addition on R, identity element 0 on R addition le, and multiplication le 1 is your identity element. because 0 no konde edu number add cheyidengilum you will get the number itself. and the multiplication angle kodi 2 into 1, what is your answer? 2. 10 into 1, what is your answer? 10. so a star e equal to a. ഇതാണ് സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ ദിസ് 1 ഈസ് യുവർ ഐഡന്റിറ്റി എലമെന്റ്. ഇ ആണ് ഈ 1 മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷനിൽ. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദർ ഈസ് നോ ഓപ്പറേഷൻസ് ഫോർ സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ ആൻഡ് ഡിവിഷൻ. സോ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നമ്പർ കിട്ടൂല എ. ഓൺലി എഡീഷനിലാണ് 0 നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പം യു ഗെറ്റ്. there is no operation for subtraction and division. So first question for the topic, show that subtraction and division are not binary operations on n. അതായത് സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ ആൻഡ് ഡിവിഷൻ ബൈനറി ഓപ്പറേഷൻസ് അല്ല. ഏത് നമ്പർ സിസ്റ്റമിൽ? നാച്ചുറൽ നമ്പേഴ്സിൽ subtraction and division are not binary operations. that you have to prove. not binary operation. So starting you have to write the condition like how it is defined, how binary operation is defined. എങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? So you have to write binary operation. എങ്ങനെ binary operation? You have to first write star from A cross A. This A should be in capital. A cross A, Cartesian product ആണ് A cross A to this A. ഇതാണ് basic. Star A cross A to A. Binary operation. അങ്ങനെ എഴുതിയിട്ട് you have to change this A cross A according to the question. So in the question you're having natural number system. So in the place of A, now you have to write N. So this will be here. This star I'll be writing as it is star from, instead of this A is your set, right? So in this question we're having this set as natural number. So that will be N cross N to natural number N. In the place of A you are writing N, N cross N to N. Any question you are having subtraction and division. So first you'll be solving problem based on subtraction. Binary operation ചെയ്യുമ്പം you can take any number, arbitrary number, any number you can take while solving the problem. Okay, number എടുത്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ എളുപ്പം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ it will be slightly difficult for you to solve the problem. So നിങ്ങൾ binary operation ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് കണ്ടീഷൻ വരുന്നത്. Now subtraction ആണ് ചെയ്യുന്നുള്ളത്. So subtraction. So I told this star can be any of the four operation: plus, minus, multiplication, division. Now you have to do according to subtraction, minus. So this will be is star in the place you'll be writing subtraction symbol minus. Instead of this star you'll be writing minus from, in the place of N as it is N cross N to N. ഈ സ്റ്റാർ സിമ്പിൾ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഞാൻ മൈനസ് എഴുതി, ബാക്കി അതേപോലെ തന്നെ എഴുതി. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ബൈനറി ഓപ്പറേഷൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ ദിസ് ഈസ് യുവർ കാർട്ടീഷ്യൻ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് അല്ലേ, അപ്പോൾ ഇതെങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടാവും? ഓർഡേർഡ് പെയറിലാണ് ഉണ്ടാവല് അല്ലേ? ഓർഡേർഡ് പെയർ സ്റ്റാർ A, Bയിലാണ് ഉള്ളത്. So here we will be writing, instead of this N cross N, A, B. അതായത് രണ്ട് എലമെന്റ് വേണം ബൈനറി ഓപ്പറേഷൻ ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ, ബിക്കോസ് ബൈനറി മീൻസ് 2. സോ A, B to, എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇതിന്റെ ആൻസർ കിട്ടല്? N നാച്ചുറൽ നമ്പർ തന്നെ ഉണ്ടാവണം, ബട്ട് ഹിയർ യു ആർ ഹാവിംഗ് ദിസ് സ്റ്റാർ ആസ് മൈനസ്. സോ ദിസ് വിൽ ബി A minus B. This A will be A minus B. ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് ആൻസർ കിട്ടേണ്ടത്. സോ ഇൻ ദിസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഐ വിൽ ടേക്ക് any random numbers നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എടുക്കാം, but that should be in your N, natural number ആയിരിക്കണം. For example, I'll be taking 3, this B as 5. Any number നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എടുക്കാം. Now A, in the place of A I'm writing 3, in the place of B I'm writing 5. So this will be 3 minus 5. So the answer will be 3 minus 5 will be minus 2. This minus 2 natural number belong ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇല്ലേ നോക്കണം. So negative numbers doesn't belongs to this natural number. So this doesn't belongs to this natural number, minus 2. So നിങ്ങൾ prove ചെയ്തു not binary operation. Okay, for this subtraction. ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു നമ്പർ സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈ ചെയ്യുന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ whole system തന്നെ you cannot include in this binary operation. Okay, that you have to remember. Any ഒരു number if this doesn't belongs to, for example നിങ്ങൾക്ക് A ആയിട്ട് 5 എടുക്കാം, B ആയിട്ട് 3 എടുക്കാം. So this will be 5 minus 3. This will be positive 2. Okay, 5 minus 3 is 2. Belongs to natural number. So അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ബൈനറി ഓപ്പറേഷൻ ആയിരിക്കും on N. ബട്ട് വേറൊരു കേസും കൂടിയുണ്ട്. A ചെറിയ നമ്പർ ആയിട്ട് B if it is larger than this A, bigger number ആണെങ്കിൽ you have the possibility that you'll get the negative sign. So അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ this is not binary operation. So question തന്നെ it is given, this should not be a binary operation. So അങ്ങനത്തെ number ആയിരിക്കണം you have to take as A and B. So in this you can write, so subtraction is not a binary operation. This is the first part of the question. Next, adeypole you have to do it for division. So division, how will you write? Put a minus koduthu. Now it is your division from n cross n to this n. Okay, so again a comma b ordered pair. This is a divided by b, or you can write a divided by b in area. So you can take same, a as 3, b as 5. So this will be 3 divided by 5. 3 divided by 5, you'll get a decimal point, decimal number. So decimal doesn't belongs to this natural number n. So this is not a binary operation. Question solve. Okay. So next question. Show that star from r cross r to r, real number given by a comma b to a plus 4b square is a binary operation. So this is a binary operation on r. Idana prove. So first you will be writing how to write starting. This you can write binary operation star from a cross a to a. But here it is already given. Idana star is defined define. So you can write star from r cross r. Previous question it was n, natural number, but here it is real number. Okay, so this should be a comma b, ordered pair a comma b, and the answer, how to get this answer, a plus 4b square. So here you can take any number from real number system. So for example, I am taking a as 1, b as 2. So this 1, 2. Ordered pair a and b. 1, 2 belongs to this r. So this answer, answer solving in there. Here it was given subtraction division, but here ingane cheyanam thannichundu a plus 4b square cheyidu nokkanam. Eele kittunna answer r belong cheyana nokkanam. So a plus 4b square aanengile in the place of a I'll add this 1 plus 4b square. This 4b square whole square alla. So this square is only for this b. Okay, 4 into b. What is b? 2. 2 square. This b, sorry, this square is only for b. So 2 square. Mottathil square alla. So I'll solve this. 1 plus 4 into 2 square 4. So this will be 1 plus 4 into 4, 16. So this will be 1 plus 16, 17. This 17 r belongs to okay. So this 17 belongs to this real number. So this belongs to this r. So therefore star is a binary operation. Either number system settle, that is on real number r. Okay. So next question. Show that the symbol is v. V define the maximum item a question. This is not actual v. This symbol is defined as maximum from r cross r to r given by a comma b to maximum of set of all a comma b, and the ulta v. This symbol is defined as minimum from r cross r to r given by a comma b to minimum of set of all a comma b are binary operations. So in this question you have to find maximum of 2 number and minimum of 2 number. This both the numbers binary operation you have to find. show that angle, you have to prove that maximum and minimum of a number is a binary operation on this set R. But starting you'll be doing for maximum. So maximum angle, this symbol V from R cross R to R as it is given in the question. Writing as it is. Next, define A comma B to maximum of set of all A comma B. Okay, so you can take any two number from this real number. It can be positive, it can be negative, it can be decimal, any number, because R is your real number system. So all the numbers belong to this R. So now A equal to 1, B equal to 2. 1 and 2. So according to this, we will be writing then this symbol from A and B angle. Now it is 1 comma 2. A is your 1, B is your 2. To maximum, max here. Set of all 1 comma 2. A and B 1 comma 2. Any maximum of this 1 and 2. What is the number? Maximum means this two number which is the larger one, bigger number. So 1 and 2, 2 is the larger number comparing to this one. So this 2 belongs to this R. Okay. So maximum. Where is it? Okay, maximum of A comma B. So star is binary operation. Instead of star, what is written? This B. Okay. So maximum is binary operation. First you have to write what is A and B. Then question in the same time you have to write as it is. And maximum of 1 and 2, you know, which is the bigger number. So write this bigger number and should check whether this bigger number belongs to this R or not. So this 2 belongs to this R. So this maximum is binary operation. Next we will be doing for minimum. Minimum means smaller number. Smaller number binary operation belongs to of this R. So for smaller number I am taking minimum. I am taking A as 1, B as minus 2. Here I am taking negative number. So then this V, this VL minimum symbol denoted in the question. So this will be 1 comma minus 2 to minimum. So minimum of which two number? 1 comma minus 2. 1 and minus 2, which is the minimum number? Minus 2. So this minus 2 belongs to this R. Okay, negative number, this minus 2 belongs to this R. So minimum is binary operation. In the notes I have given two example for this maximum and minimum. Here I am doing only for one example. Okay. So next question about commutative property. Show that star from R cross R to R defined by A star B equal to A plus 2B is not commutative. So you have to prove that this A star B equal to A plus 2B is not commutative. Not commutative I will prove. So you know what is commutative property? Commutative. You have to write commutative. That is A star B equal to B star A. LHS and RHS equal angle matram, this will be commutative. So in this question it is given star from R cross R to R. So here this is A star B, that is equal to addition on E star. Okay, A plus 2B is given, addition operation A plus 2B. So you have to first write what is A, what is B. Any number you can take belonging to this R. So in this question I am taking A as 1, B as 2. So first you have to solve for LHS, then you have to do it for RHS, then compare the answer whether LHS is equal to RHS. So first LHS, so you have A star B. A star B means here 1 star 2. Okay, 1 star 2, that is equal to, how to solve 1 star 2 anengil, you have to write according to this. Substitute A and B in this. Okay, so in the place of A you have to write this 1 plus in the place of B you have to write it as 2. So 2 into this B value as 2. So this will be 1 plus 2 into 2, that will be 4, that is equal to 5. So you got the value for LHS. Now you have to do it for RHS. In the place of RHS, it will be A star B ആണ് left side ൽ ഉണ്ടായത് commutative ൽ, RHS ആണെങ്കിൽ that will be B star A. So this is solving for RHS, B star A. അതായത് in the place of B what will you write? 2. A ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഇവിടെ 1 എഴുതി, starting B ആയതുകൊണ്ട് this will be 2 star in the place of A, that is 1, 2 star 1. So that is equal to any. Don't get confused how to substitute for this A plus 2B. Okay, A plus 2B. How it will be? B star A ആണെങ്കിൽ A star B ആയപ്പം in the place of A you had A, in the place of B you had B. Now if it is B star A, so B star A, that is equal to, in the place of A now you are having B, so this will be your B. Interchange B plus 2 A number 2 as it is. നമ്മൾ A and B മാത്രം അപ്പുറം ഇപ്പുറം ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So that will be in the place of B, that is your A. So now B star A equal to B plus 2A. So any question of commutative or associative anything നിങ്ങൾ change ചെയ്യുമ്പം you have to carefully do that. If you do any mistake in that, your answer will be wrong. Okay, കാണുമ്പം simple ആണ്, but while solving the problem it is very important to check your A and B എങ്ങനെയാണ് interchange ചെയ്തത്. Okay, 2 star 1. So this will be in the place of B. ഇനി ഇത് നോക്കിയിട്ടാണ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. നിങ്ങൾ change this A plus 2B as B plus 2A. ഇനി while substituting, this substitution was according to this. Any ഇത് substitute ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ you have to do according to this. So you are having in the place of B, B എന്താണ് value 2 plus 2 into, in the place of A you are having 1. So 2 plus 2 into 1, 2. So that will be 2 plus 2 equal to 4. This is your RHS value. Now you have to compare LHS and RHS. LHS we got it as 5 and RHS we got it as 4. See how it became. This is not equal. 5 and 4 is not equal. That is, therefore A star B is not equal to B star A. Why? Because 5 is not equal to 4. Therefore star is not commutative. Okay, star is not commutative because the question had to show that star, that is this star is not commutative. So next question, show that star from R cross R to R given by A star B to A plus 2B is not associative. Is not associative. So A star B, again you are having this addition operation. So Let's solve the problem. So star from R cross R to R ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതി question തന്ന പോലെ this one, and you will be writing A star B to A plus 2B. Okay, same as the previous question. This was for commutative. Now this one is for associative. This is also not associative. Previous question had not commutative. So you have to write the associative property condition. Associative. What is associative property? That is A star B star C, that is equal to A star B star C. So this LHS answer and this RHS answer should be equal. Then only this will be associative. Now here you have to show that these two answers are not same. That is not associative. So A, B, C, you have to take three numbers. For example, any number you can take belonging to this R. Here I am taking A as 1, B as 2, C as minus 1. നിങ്ങൾ ഇപ്പോൾ question solve ചെയ്യുമ്പം take the simple number 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, then minus 1, minus 2. അങ്ങനെ ചെറിയ നമ്പർ എടുത്താൽ മതി. Bigger number solve ചെയ്യുമ്പം you'll have difficulty. Okay, A equal to 1, B equal to 2, and C equal to minus 1. Why did I take this minus sign, minus 1? Because real number always positive എടുക്കുന്നതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാനിത് നെഗറ്റീവ് എടുത്തത്. Okay, now you have to solve for LHS. So solving for LHS, you have to write LHS, that is A star B star C, that is equal to, but see the question only A star B ആണുള്ളത്. A star B, A plus 2B. Questionൽ C term ഇല്ലേ ഇല്ല. But associatively you are taking three numbers. അതായത് while solving you have to take these three numbers. പിന്നെ solve ചെയ്ത് പോകുമ്പം last only two number മാത്രം ബാക്കിയാവും. For that two number you have to substitute this one. And starting A star B kanda bracket le. So A star B ne you have to substitute this. Star C അങ്ങനെ തന്നെ എഴുതും. Only for A star B. രണ്ടാണ് കമ്പൈൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള A star B. ആ A star B ne you have to write this A plus 2B. You have to substitute this A plus 2B. Okay, so that will be A star B. In the place of A star B, I am writing A star B. What is A star B? A plus 2B inside the bracket. A plus 2B. Any star C star C. Okay. Now A plus 2B ആണെങ്കിൽ what is A? 1. Substituting 1. 2. What is B? 2. Any star. What is C? C is your minus 1. ഈ സ്റ്റാർ അങ്ങനെ തന്നെ എഴുതണം. ബ്രാക്കറ്റിന്റെ ഉള്ളിലത്തെ സ്റ്റാർ ആണ് this plus. Outside the star it is not defined anything over here. So you have to write this star as it is. So sorry, here I have to put one more bracket. So this is 1 plus 2 into 2, 4 star minus 1. Again 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4 is 5 star minus 1. Minus 1 അതേപോലെ തന്നെ എഴുതി. സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ് നിങ്ങൾ A, B and C substitute ചെയ്തു. Here A, B, C. But solve ചെയ്തു വരുമ്പം you got only two number 5 and minus 1. Now this you have to take it as A. This you have to take it as B. Solve ചെയ്തു വരുമ്പം ഈ A, Bയിൽ ഡിഫറൻസ് ഉണ്ടാവും. ചിലപ്പോൾ സെയിം നമ്പർ തന്നെ കിട്ടും, ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഡിഫറൻസ് ഉണ്ടാവും. So now for further simplification you have to take this 5 as A, this minus 1 as B. Any A star B ആകും. This is A star B, right? So this A star B, again you have to do substitute in this. Okay, so this is എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും A star B എങ്ങനെയാണെന്നുള്ളത് ക്വസ്റ്റനിൽ A plus 2B. So this will be in the place of A. What you're having in the place of A? 5. 5 plus 2 as in the question into, now what is B? B is your minus 1. Starting le cheyyumbam C was your minus 1. Now last cheyyumbam this B is your minus 1. So this is your minus 1. Okay, so this is 5 plus 2 into minus 1. Multiplication on it. 2b on. So 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. So 5 plus and minus will be minus. 5 minus 2 is your 3. So LHS answer, you got it as 3. Okay. Now you have to solve for place I am doing it here. So RHS you have to solve. So RHS is A star, B star, C. B star, C kanipam bracket kodukande. So this is A star, B star, C. That is equal to the place of A ningal 1 ezhudum. Star, B in the place 2 ezhudum. Star, what is C? Minus 1. Any 1 star. This is A star B. Sorry, B star C. B star C aanengile. You have to again see the question. In the place of A star B aanipam B star C. But here there are 2 numbers. The question 2 numbers are. So this condition. So again you have to substitute as like this. So in the place of this A, you will be writing this 2. That is the number under the one. A and B by solving. Because the question A plus 2B. So this A is your 2 now. Plus 2 into E minus 1 B minus 1. So that is equal to 1 star again. 2 plus 2 into minus 1. That is minus 2. Again 1 star plus and minus minus out. So this will be 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 anengile that will be 0. Again this 3 number poite enda ivide 2 number. So this will be your A, this will be your B. So again ask the question A plus 2B. Because question we are having only 2 number. So eppo ningalku idu solve cheyyumbam 2 number il varunu. You have to go back to the question, see the question and solve, substitute accordingly. Okay. So 1 star 0 anengile here this is your in the place of 1. In the place of A you have to substitute 1 plus 2 as it is. In the place of B, you are substituting this 0. Because it is as A star B. So A star B, A plus 2B on it. So 1 plus 2 into 0. 1 plus 2 into 0. 1 plus 2 into 0 is 0. So your answer is 1. See how the difference came out. This LHS is your 3 and this RHS is your 1. Okay. RHS is your 1. So this therefore 3 is not equal to 1. LHS not equal to RHS. Therefore not associating. Okay. So these are the 5 example questions. Then exercise question, you have to do it as assignment. So I'll give you what are the questions. You have to solve accordingly and send me the notes and assignments. Okay, that's all for today's class. Thank you. Have a good day.